Hello, friends. It's so nice to see you here. I'm Vitalina, and I'm very happy you joined us today. I hope you feel relaxed, comfortable, and ready to learn something new together.
Hi everyone, I'm Jake. And today, I think I'm not just nervous, I'm a little scared.
You are scared? Last time you were nervous, and now you're scared? Don't be scared, Jake. I promise the lesson will be very easy.
I'm trying. It's just that prepositions always make me feel like my brain walks into a dark room and looks for the light switch. Sometimes it finds it fast, and sometimes it doesn't.
That's a very funny and very accurate description. But don't worry. Today the room will be bright, simple, and friendly.
Good. I like bright rooms. And I like when you explain things slowly. It helps my brain stay calm.
Jake, I will try to speak slowly today, but I think our viewers are very smart. And if we ever speak a little too fast, they can change the video speed in the settings. What do you think?
Well, yes, our friends can do that, but I can't do that. Sometimes it's difficult for me to understand.
Okay, Jake, okay. I understand. I will try to speak slowly.
Thank you. My brain says thank you too.
Good. Then let's continue. Friends, today we continue our small series of prepositions lessons. In the last lesson, we learned prepositions of place, the where words. Today we will learn prepositions of time, the when words. The three most important ones, in, on, and at.
Only 3? Oh, that already helps. 3 feels safe.
Yes, only 3. And we will go step by step. Friends, prepositions of time answer one simple question. When? When does something happen? When do we do something? We use in, on, and at with different kinds of time.
Okay, so different prepositions for different kinds of time. I think I'm ready.
Good. Let's start with in. We use in for long periods of time. Months, years, seasons, parts of the day. For example, in January, in 2020, in summer, in the morning.
Long periods. Okay, that feels logical.
Now, on. We use on for days and dates. For example, on Monday, on Friday, on my birthday, on June 5th.
Days and dates. Easy.
Now, at. We use at for exact times, a specific moment. For example, at 7 o'clock, at noon, at night.
So, at is very specific?
Yes. Now let's repeat. In for long periods, on for days and dates, at for specific times.
Okay, I like this. It feels nice and clear.
Great. Now let's practice. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's do it.
Jake, I will say a sentence with a missing preposition. You listen, think a little, and give me the correct word.
Okay, I can do that.
I wake up the morning.
In the morning.
Very good. Let's continue. I have English lessons Monday.
On Monday.
Excellent. You answered very fast. My birthday is July.
In July.
Yes, perfect. The train arrives 6 o'clock.
At 6 o'clock.
Very good. Let's do more. We go on holiday summer.
In summer.
Great. One more. The meeting is Friday.
On Friday.
Very good. You are doing very well.
Maybe I'm not scared anymore.
See, I told you, nothing to be scared of. Now let's make it a little more interesting. I will ask when, and you answer with a full sentence.
Okay, challenge accepted.
When do you drink coffee?
I drink coffee in the morning.
Very good. When do you play tennis?
I play tennis on Saturday.
Excellent. One more. When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at night.
Perfect. Very good answers.
This is actually fun, and my brain is still alive.
I'm happy to hear that. Jake, let's repeat this exercise one more time. Same questions, new answers.
Yes, let's do it again. I like this.
When do you study English?
I study English in the evening.
Very good. Clear and correct. When do you meet your friends?
I meet my friends on Sunday.
Excellent. One more. When do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Perfect, Jake. Very well done.
Thank you. This practice feels easy now.
I'm happy to hear that. Friends, remember, in, long periods, on, days and dates, at, exact times.
This is a very helpful formula.
I will also put useful examples with in, on, and at in the description of this video, so you can practice more.
That's a great bonus.
Now, a short summary. Today we learned prepositions of time, in, on, and at. We practiced sentences and questions, and we learned how to choose the correct preposition.
And I'm proud of myself. I was scared, but now I'm okay.
Yes, you did very well. Friends, please write 2 or 3 sentences with in, on, and at in the comments. I would love to read them. And if you want our next lesson about prepositions of movement, please subscribe to Do You Know English.
Your likes and comments help us so much. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for learning with us. Every small step helps your English grow.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.
Bye.